Install these vent visor for the van. Just slid it all the way open. Be careful not to damage your vent visors. Some dollar store, Dollar Tree channel to get it on. That glue is not going to stick well. No tent type squeegee type tool to the crack to and slide it in there. Works really good. Look at that. Backing of the stickiness off. That disclaimer being. What you're going to want to do is go through and get it all seated correctly so the glue can cure in the right spot. Especially this spot here. Give it a good press in there. Say bye, Mo. Say bye to the camera. Until next time, guys. Like, comment, subscribe.